Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Toyota Tacoma rear bumper. First, gather your tools, including a 12mm socket, a ratchet, and a flathead screwdriver. Always ensure your vehicle is on a stable, level surface for safety. Before starting, check for and disconnect any trailer wiring harnesses that might be attached to the bumper assembly. This initial preparation saves time and prevents damage during the removal process. Having the right tools ready makes the job much smoother. Next, you'll need to remove the taillight assemblies. Each taillight is secured by two 10mm bolts. Unscrew these carefully. Once the bolts are out, gently pull each taillight straight back to release it from its clips. With the taillights removed, you can now access the main bumper mounting bolts. There are four 12mm bolts, 2 on each side, that secure the bumper brackets to the truck frame. Remove these to loosen the main assembly. Now, it's time to disconnect any remaining electrical components. Unclip the license plate lights and any other sensors or wiring harnesses still attached to the bumper. Next, look underneath the bumper near the hitch receiver. You will find two 12mm bolts that secure the bumper directly to the hitch. Remove these final bolts. With all fasteners and electrical connections detached, the entire rear bumper assembly can now be carefully slid straight back and off the truck frame. It might be helpful to have a second person assist with this step. When you're ready to reinstall your Tacoma's rear bumper, simply reverse these steps. Make sure all bolts are tightened to the correct specifications and that every electrical connection, including your license plate lights and trailer wiring, is securely reattached. Double-check everything before driving to ensure safety and proper function. For more helpful tips and to find great deals, including on the new Kindle Paperwhite, check out the links in the description below. We appreciate you watching and hope this guide was clear and useful for your project.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.